product display stand, something like this will arrive in the post. Everything will come in flat pack, and depending on how many tiers you've ordered will depend on how many different parts that you have, but you will always have something that looks pretty similar to this. And it might be a little daunting to start off with, but I'm just going to show you how it easily goes together and gets taken apart again, so you can keep reusing it and pack it away when you're done. So we're going to start off by taking the two side pieces, like so, and we're going to take our locking back piece and our locking front piece that look just like this, and we're going to slot them in to the guts provided. So the back piece is going to go in like this and press down like that, and the same will happen on the other side. And then we'll do the same with the front piece that will just lock in at the front like this. So now we're going to put in all of the backs of our shelves, and these will look like this. They're different from the tops of our shelves. As you can see, the tops of our shelves have a little locking nut piece here. So we're going to come back to those in a while. But first of all, we're just going to put in all of these pieces. So I'm just going to go ahead and take it layer by layer. Just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to build in the tops of our shelves. So to do that, we're just going to take the other parts and we're going to half slide them in. And before that we push them all the way in, we're going to get them to about here. We're going to take two of these with the little tab facing forwards. We're just going to pop them into the hole and push them to the front, like so. And do this with the same with the other one. Push it to the front, and then we're just going to push the whole shelving unit in until the tabs push through into the back. Once the shelving unit's been pushed to the back, you can take two of the locking pegs and push them into the holes to secure everything in place. Now, just to finish off, we're going to take our logo piece that's going to go on the top, and we're just going to slot that into the gap at the back. And then we're just going to repeat the process with our top shelf. And then slot it all together. Using our pegs to lock it off. Our last job is to just put on our little protection rails that will just slot in like this, and that will stop any products from being knocked off by a customer if they're not being very careful. And then to take it all apart again, all you would do is remove your locking nuts by pushing them out at the bottom, and then you can reverse the process and take everything apart, pop it back into the box and use it for another day. And there you have it, your finished product display stand, all built and ready to go. Don't forget you can get it in a variety of finishes, sizes, and you can even have your logo put on the top of it.